We all are back to the grind, but I bet your morning routine doesn't allow much time for hairstyling, right? Luckily, I am here to help with some easy hairstyles so you'll get to work on time. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you 2 easy back to office hairstyles. But before that, you know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to get notified about our weekly video updates. Since my scalp looks extremely greasy, I'll first apply a dry shampoo all over my hair. This is what I'm using today. It's the Dove Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. Just shake the spray and hold it 8 to 12 inches away from the scalp and spritz it in sections all over the hair. To evenly absorb oil from the hair, massage the shampoo through the roots. This dry shampoo instantly absorbs the oil and refreshes my hair. Plus, it's a weightless formula, which means it won't weigh my strands down. Now let's start with the first hairstyle. Start by creating a center part all the way till the back. Take one side of the hair and secure it with a hair tie. While securing, don't pull out the hair all the way. Leave it halfway so it looks like a bun. Repeat the same on the other side. Now pull one side of the bun through the other and secure with the bobby pin. Wrap the rest of the hair around the bun and secure with a bobby pin. Doesn't it look classy and chic? Now it's time to get a hold on the hairstyle and make it last all day long. For that, I am using this hairspray. This is the Tresemme Compressed Micro Mist Invisible Hold Hairspray. Make sure to spritz it all over the hair. Instead of making your hair look frizzy and all over the place, this hairspray will make your hair look natural, in place and on point for 24 hours. Plus, it's humidity resistant, so bye-bye frizziness. Now for the second hairstyle, pull some hair at the back and secure it with a hair tie. Take one side of the hair and make a 3-strand braid. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Take both the braid at the back and secure it together with a short tie. Then twist the braid and pass the ponytail through it. It's a perfect hairstyle if you want to go from an office to party look. Once I'm done, I will spritz some hairspray. So guys, I hope you like these 2 easy office hairstyles. Also, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications.